Hey everyone, welcome back to the My Technological World. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most unique rugged smartphones on the market, the 8849 Tank 4. This device isn't just built tough, it also comes with a brand new 720p projection feature that sets it apart from other phones. The Tank 4 is designed for people who live and work in challenging environments. It's fully 3-proof, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Whether you're on a construction site, hiking in the wild, or just someone who drops their phone a lot, this device is made to survive. But the real game changer here is the 720p projection system. Imagine being able to project movies, presentations, or even gaming content directly from your phone onto a wall. No extra projector needed. It's already inside your device. That makes it perfect for camping nights, quick office meetings, or even watching videos with friends on the go. On top of that, the Tank 4 packs a huge battery to power both the phone and the projector for hours, so you don't have to worry about running out of charge. It also supports modern connectivity and delivers reliable performance for everyday use. So to sum it up, the 8849 Tank 4 isn't just another rugged phone. It's a tough, future-ready device that combines durability with smart innovation. If you need a phone that can survive the elements and double as a portable projector, this is definitely one to check out. 8849 Tank 4. Core smartphone specifications and features. Tank 4 processor. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 kHz, featuring an octa-core setup. 4X Cortex A78. Ear 2.6 GHz plus 4X Cortex A55 for smooth multitasking. RAM and storage comes with 12 GB. RAM alongside 12 GB virtual RAM. Storage options include 512 GB, UFS 4.0, expandable via microSD, up to 1 TB. Screen, a spacious 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Built-in projector, 720p DLP projector with 1280 by 720 resolution, 100 lumens brightness, autofocus, and keystone correction, ideal for quick presentations or movie streaming. Rear cameras, 50-megapixel main sensor, Samsung S5K GN1SP, 64-megapixel night vision camera with IR capability up to 15 and 50-megapixel telephoto lens. Front camera, 32 MP for selfies and video calls. Massive 11,600 mAh battery for extended use with 66W fast charging, plus reverse charging capabilities to power other devices. Ruggedness meets IP68 series waterproof and dustproof standards, built for harsh environments. Dual LED camping lights that also function as an alarm or torch. So this is the fresh news about new Tank 4. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thank you.